Very good morning to one and all. So, today I am going to explain the lecture number 7, module number 2. So, in first module, we define the introduction to the network. In previous module, we introduction of network application, network software, network hardware. Then we define the concept of socket and port, as well as we define the reference model OSI and TCP/IP and functions of each layer with respective layers, as well as we define a concept of encapsulation in previous lecture. So first module we have completed in last 6 lectures. Today we start with the module number 2 or chapter number 2, that is introduction to the physical layer, services and system. In this lecture we basically deals with the discuss about the physical layer. So in this we will look the lowest layer in our protocol model, the physical layer. It defines the electrical timing. Another interface which bits are sent or signals over a channel. The physical layer is a foundation of which the network is built. The properties of different kinds of physical channels determined by the performance, like examples throughput, latency and error rate. So it is good to start our journey into network LAN with the physical layer. So let us begin with second module, introduction to the physical layer, services and system. So whenever the data is transmitted from sender to receiver over a channel, this channel is nothing but the physical medium. This physical medium is also called as a transmission medium. So if you observe, this is a physical layer of sender side, this is a physical layer of receiver side, and the data will be transmitted from the sender to receiver, that is over a transmission media. This transmission media may be a cable or air. Means cable means it may be used a coaxial cable, twisted pair or optical fiber, or air media means unguided, that time it may be electromagnetic waves mostly. Then classification of the physical media. So physical media means or channel which connect transmitter and receiver, over which the data will be transmitted, that is called as a transmission media or physical media or physical channel. So transmission media is classified into basically two types. One is a guided, second one is unguided, or also known as wired and wireless. So guided media again classified into three subclass: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. And unguided media, the best example is air. Guided media, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics, coaxial cable. In day-to-day life, everyone with familiar with the coaxial cable. So coaxial cable, the operating frequency range from 100 kHz to 500 MHz. The internal structure, if we observe the side view, outer is a plastic cover, then insulator, then outer conductor, shield provider, and inner conductor, which is made up of a copper. So different types of categories in coaxial cable. So RJ59, the impedance is 75, and application of this cable TV, RJ58, 50 ohm thin Ethernet, and RJ11, 50 ohm thick Ethernet. So this type of chart will be very useful while dealing with the MCQ, objective type of MCQ. So must be remember this chart, which type of category and impedance and where it will be used. And RJ stands for the radio government, that is rating. coaxial connectors. So BNC to BNC connector will be used in day-to-day life, will be observed your lab also. So these are the some coaxial connectors will be observed. So mostly will familiar this type of connector, as well as in your lab, analog electronics lab, this type of are available, and mostly this type of connectors will be used in signal and system in ISRO, or mostly we deal with the in signal and system department in Indian Railway, and mostly we observe this type of coaxial connector in your television set or your DTS set-top box. Okay, so day-to-day life we are surrounding with this type of coaxial connectors, and in lab purpose we use the BNC connectors. So this type of connectors are day-to-day life will practical in analog electronics lab, mostly EDC lab we will say that. So we will observe the BNC to PNC connectors. So this is the performance indicator of coaxial cables. So if you observe in y-axis there is attenuation of signal in dB per kilometer, and x-axis there is a frequency range. So we observe this is a coaxial cable performance in the form of attenuation of the signals. So then next we deal with the connectors, which is basically RJ45. RJ45, RJ stand for the radio jack or resistor jack. So resistor jack connector mostly day-to-day life we are surrounding with, mostly observing your lab in networking lab. Mostly it is implemented in implementation of the LAN. So it is a 8-pin connector. So physical appearance like this. So RJ45 standard physical network interface connecting telecommunication or data equipment. RJ45 stand for the register jack, since it is standardized network interface. 45 simply refers to the number of interface standard. RJ45 8 pin 8 connector module connected means 8 PC to 8 means 8 position and 8 contacts. It looks similar to a telephone jack, but it is slightly wider, used with the twisted pair cables such as Cat5 cables, which is observed in your simulation lab. RJ45 connectors are mostly commonly seen in Ethernet cables and networking. So this type of question will be asked: what is meant by RJ resistor jack, and what is 45 simply refers the number of interface standard, and it is also known as 8PC, 8P, 8C. What is 8P, 8C? 8 position and 8 contact. This type of question will be asked in your objective type of example. So mostly remember this lecture is very helpful to dealing with the MCQ objective type of questions. Then RJ45 cables are commonly called as Ethernet cables. The second name RJ45 cables are Ethernet cables. It consists of UDP, unshielded twisted pair cable, RJ45 connector and both end UTP cables, boot cap, this is cover protected to this RJ45, and this is your UTP cable, unshielded twisted pair cable. That is the twisted pair cable are commonly classified into two types. First one is your STP, shielded twisted pair cable, and the second one is unshielded twisted pair cables. Then RJ45 connector are classified into two types. First one is a male and second one is a female. It is mostly commonly called as RJ45 connector. It is plugged with the network port of the system. RJ45 female is a port in which RJ45 connector are plugged in. It is also called as a networking port. So this to be remember what is meant by network port and network port of the system. So network port is nothing but RJ45 female, and network port of the system is RJ45 male. So we observe in lab this type of female connector will be seen in your simulation lab or networking lab, and this is the RJ45 mostly which is connected in twisted pair cable or Ethernet cables. So what type of structure? So RJ45 networking connector structure has three parts: contact, insulator, shell and housing. So RJ45 structure like 1 to 8 connections, contacts, shells and insulator. Insulator are provided in between two pins. So this is the physical view of RJ45. The pin position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. RJ pinout can be wired into two different ways. One version is called T568 and another T568B. So what are the two different pinouts are possible? So this type of question will be asked in your MCQ or objective type. That time should be remember the two pinout versions will be used, that is T568A and another is the 568B. So this is the RJ45 pinout uses, and this is the color sequence will be also asked for the objective type example. So RJ45 there are the pin numbers and the wire color which is related to the T568 and wire diagrams like this, and 10 base T and 100 bit T signal which is transmitted, which is to be transmitted or which is to be used and unused, that is also be known. So uses of RJ45 connector to provide internet working between two systems. Its system to connect with the network, cross connection of the two system, connection of the with the hub or router, and used for the transmitted digital signals between the devices. Applications: installation, academy, making the network topologies, local area network, fiber, media converter, all this type will be used in application of RJ45. Advantage: they are easily installed, very reliable, connection speed are higher 100 Mbps for the fast Ethernet. And what are the drawbacks? It is only for short distance networking, limited mobility, require necessary wiring and equipment to handle or maintain the RJ45 connectors. So in this lecture we introduce the concept of physical layer, then transmission media or physical media, their classification, as well as the RJ45 connectors. So we can stop here. Please share, like and subscribe my video. If you have any questions, kindly personally mention in my WhatsApp number, which is already in your contact, so we can give more clarification your doubts and your questions. So we can stop here. Thank you.